Once upon a time, there was a shepherd in China. The shepherd herded his sheep on large green grassland every day. One day, he saw a wolf standing far away, watching him and the sheep. The shepherd picked up his rod, ready to defend his sheep against the wolf. The wolf stood still and did nothing. After a while the wolf ran away. What a wolf! The shepherd thought. Over the next few months, the wolf just followed the shepherd and the sheep. He never attacked the sheep. People say that wolves are bad and would eat my sheep, but I know this at least. Is a good wolf, the man thought. With time, the shepherd trusted the wolf more. Eventually, the shepherd even asked the wolf to look after his sheep so that he could take breaks. The wolf did his job very well. The man loved the wolf very much and treated it as his own pet. One day, the shepherd needed to go on a long trip away from home. He asked the wolf to look after his sheep in the courtyard. The wolf happily accepted. After the shepherd had left his house, the wolf made a long howl to his fellow wolves. The wolves together attacked and killed all the shepherd's sheep. When the man returned home, he was shocked when he saw his sheep were all gone. The shepherd realized that you should never trust bad wolves or bad people.